to my channel. I can say that, that's weird. Alright, so I'm just back from grocery shopping because I had no food and I eat terribly. So most of these things are breakfast items, and now I'm trying to get like into the habit of making dinner, because you're going to buy food out the road. One, spend too much money, I'm gonna have it. Two, I will get something to eat and upset my stomach completely. It's either it tastes good or too oily, but just to avoid all of that story, I get my own food, or I make my own food. But I mean, like, it's not that I don't like to cook. When I get home from work, I'm really tired, so I'm going to meal prep the stuff that I want, like cut up the chicken small, cut up some shrimp. Probably not going to do shrimp because I can't bother to defrost it right now. Do like some meatballs or some Vegemins, so I can do something quick and fast when I come home. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. It's within budget, so I'm really excited with this one first. I went to 2 different supermarkets because, you know, Price Mart selling a bulk, so something's kind of ridiculous for me. I got some black beans because I'll be making a taco bowl. You'll see the next video. I got some turkey bacon because I like bacon. But turkey bacon is supposed to be a better alternative. I'm sorry if my head cut off, but can't find the balance between putting it a little bit higher or a little bit lower, so I sacrifice my head top food. I got sweet corn for that same taco bowl. I got oats. This is the brand oats that I get. Most of the things I get from Price Market are breakfast, and that lasts me like 3 months. So all of this will last me like 3 to 4 months. And eat oats maybe like once or twice every week. So yeah. I got the chicken breast. Well, it's a chicken chunks. Same difference, right? Right, same difference. I got this big thing of ground beef because the bag won't wash out. Leaking. So because one, I'm gonna meal prep some for some dinner items like meatballs and quick pasta, and then some are going to taco bowl. Cheese for the taco bowl. Turkey breast, and you get these 2 things of it. This lasts me like 3 months or 2 maybe. I'm gonna eat this like once or twice every week for a breakfast sandwich. I got pepper jack cheese slices for the same sandwich. I got coffee creamer. Love that. Love that for me. What else did I get? I got cilantro for the taco bowl. Chips for the taco bowl. I got Brunswick spicy Thai tuna. Love this. Love. You don't even have to do anything. You just oat meat and eat it. But what I like to do, I like to put it in the fridge to make it a cold. You eat like a cold sandwich, like that. What else? And I got a thing of sweet potato fries for my dinner. I'm gonna put it in the air fryer. I'm gonna go oil fry it. Hopefully that makes a difference. We'll see. Oh, I also went by Linton Mart and I got some stuff. Got this jar to put like condensed milk in. I got 2 wine glasses. 2 wine glasses because all my wine glasses are broke. And not because I'm drunk and broke them. Alright, so I'll come back. I never did label these the last time, but I know this one is the garlic jerk, and I had some of this from last time. Whenever I left back and now it's not that way. Oh my goodness. Somebody see this kit? Okay. Alright, so you guys could smell this. It smells so good. And I'm going to be making such a mess. What I don't use, I put aside for back stock. This one, I think this was a lemon pepper, but I never ordered any of this, so I can't refill that. Seafood seasoning. So yeah, that's my Judine Organics little stash, and I feel like it's such a bitter switch because these days when you read the labels of stuff, things that you can't pronounce, additives, preservatives, food colorings, so much unnecessary things. So where we can try to avoid something, I think we should. So the other little things that I have in my seasoning cupboard, some garlic powder, putting that one in. It's a little sweet because it has maple syrup, I think, in it, or maple in it. I also will be stocking up on some Maggi, and this isn't necessarily for me, it's for my mom. She's a traditional lady, she likes her Maggi, so we're gonna stock up back on that. Alright, so y'all just saw me do up my seasonings. Judine Organics. Love. So potent, and I wish you guys could see them. See if you've never seen there. When you bust the bag, seasonings. You can actually when you just bust the bag, they're here closed and you can smell them. So good. And when you look inside, I don't know if you guys can see. When you look inside, I'm going to show something on my hand to show no one. When you look in there, right, you can identify things like this look like bush will dry up. And that's in a bad way, meaning it's pretty organic. So, not pretty, it is completely organic. So yeah, love those, and Judine was nice enough to send a little package for one of you guys that are going to help me out. Right, so you're gonna get all of their sample size spices in this little bag to try, because I'm not gatekeep. It's coming soon to a supermarket near you. Completely worth it, health wise, flavor wise, cost wise. It's just the right switch, right? So you guys have use Maggi. It's because my mother like Maggi, but this is the dish. Okay, yeah, so I would like for one of, well, not one of you, all of you, I would like for you guys to comment down below and give me some info on what you guys eat for dinner. I really don't know if you eat, it's either chicken nuggets and fries or not at all. Drink water and go on my bed. So yeah, comment down below what you eat for dinner, or what I can eat for dinner you recommend, and I will pick one of you guys at random to get the sample packs. So it has all of them: the lemon garlic, it has the curry rundown dry rub. I have this one in the cupboard, but I don't eat curry as often, so I didn't need to make a reorder. Oregano, poultry ginger spice, love this. You make it packed taste like Chef Ramsay. Is that you? Salads and dip spice. I've never tried this one, but I'm going to. What else is in the bag? The sorrel rosemary garlic spice. What else in the bag? Garlic jerk meat, garlic jerk all-purpose spice. One more in there. What else? Fish and seafood spice, and they're also great. Really also great and so versatile. All of the order details and just general information about Judine Organics is in there. So yeah, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, to like the video, to share it, and them thing there. And talk to me. I want to eat. I'd like to know, please. I beg. I'll put in the description box when this is gonna close off. Yeah. Okay. Alright, what else do I have to do? I need to season up my meats so that future Vanessa will be happy. So let me just pack up again, put away my back stock. BRB. Alright, so I have my washed chicken breast or chicken chunks. Putting them in a Ziploc bag. So I'm going to add in my seasonings to this. I'm keeping it pretty generic because I don't know what I might feel for when I get home. So I don't know if it's going to be curry chicken, if it's going to be stewed chicken, if it's going to be something else. So I'm just seasoning it to become anything when I thaw it out when I get home. Once we get everything in the bag, we're going to just shake it all up to get it nice and mixed. And then we're going to put it in the freezer for future Vanessa. For the ground beef, it's going to be the same procedure. We're just going to be seasoning up with our Judine Organic seasonings, and I'm going to be adding some fresh seasoning, some sweet peppers, tomatoes, and stuff to it. And then I'm going to put it in a Ziploc bag for future me. this is future me, well, past me, enjoying the fruits of my past labor